Hello everyone. Today's video will be on a special topic on the current circumstances of the corona crisis. Here we'll be discussing on the precautions for using face masks for COVID-19. COVID-19 is mostly spread by respiratory droplets, especially when a person coughs or sneezes, entering through the eyes, nose and mouth either directly or by touching a contaminated surface. But there is an increasing concern about its spread through aerosols, which are tiny saliva and vapor droplets suspended in air that are produced when we speak or breathe. This video provides advices on the use of masks in communities during home care, in healthcare settings and other public places. At present, in a shift from its earlier position, WHO has issued the latest guidelines that say all should wear a 3-layer mask in public to prevent the spread of the coronavirus disease or COVID-19. The 3-layer acts as a barrier for potentially infectious droplets. Based on this new research, in case one wears a non-medical mask, WHO advises that fabric masks or the non-medical masks should consist of at least 3 layers of different material. One must ensure that the cloth must have at least 3 layers made of absorbent cotton close to the face, followed by a polypropylene layer, then a synthetic layer that is fluid resistant. Therefore, it is vital to inform the proliferation of homemade cloth mask designs, many of which are single-layered. A well-designed cloth mask should have water-resistant fabric, multiple layers and good facial fit. Why wear a face mask? Wearing a face mask will help prevent the spread of the infection and prevent the individual from contracting any airborne infectious germs. When someone coughs, talks, sneezes, they can release germs into the air that may infect others nearby. Face masks are a part of an infection control strategy to eliminate cross-contamination. How should face mask be worn? Always wash your hands with soap and water before touching the face mask. Remove the mask from the dispenser or the box and make sure the masks do not have any holes or tears. Make sure you determine which side is the top and which is the front of the mask so you can wear the mask properly. Normally, the white side will face the skin and the colored side will be placed outwards. People can potentially infect themselves if they use contaminated hands to adjust a mask or to repeatedly take it off and put it on without cleaning hands in between. Masks can also create a false sense of security, leading people to neglect measures such as hand hygiene and physical distancing. The 3-ply surgical mask. How would you know it is real or fake? Surgical mask has become the most sought-after commodity during the COVID-19 global pandemic, with many buying what they can get their hands on. However, the quality of different brands may vary wildly, though the masks may look the same. Let us discuss different ways to check the quality of the mask that you're wearing. Eye check. If you cut open the mask, you should see 3 layers. That would consist of an outer hydrophobic non-woven layer that is translucent, a middle melt-blown layer which is white, and an inner soft absorbent non-woven layer which can be green, blue or white. If you don't have these 3 layers, then it is not a 3-ply mask. Second, a non-flammable test. The middle layer of a surgical mask is not made up of paper, but a melt-blown fabric. Therefore, if we light it up with a flame, it will not burn like how a paper would. Instead, it melts without flame. So, if your mask catches fire, then it is not a 3-ply mask. Third, water-resistant test. The outermost layer is designed to be waterproof. If we pour some water onto the outer layer, we should be able to see that the mask repels water properly. If the other side gets damp, it is not a 3-ply mask. And absorbance test. The innermost layer is designed to absorb moisture such as saliva, mucus, and sneeze droplets. This ensures when a user sneezes, the mask will be able to contain the droplets, which will not remain smeared on the wearer's face. So, if your mask's inner layer is not water absorbent, it is not a proper 3-ply mask. With a high demand for face masks, consumers need to be cautious before buying a face mask. Let us discuss the difference of 3-ply surgical mask to fashion mask or the ordinary hygiene mask. The biggest difference between a 3-ply surgical mask and an ordinary face mask is the melt-blown layer in a surgical mask. This melt-blown layer in a 3-ply surgical mask is essentially a filter. The droplets containing viruses will be electrostatically adsorbed on the surface and won't be able to infiltrate the mask. Fashion masks or the dust masks are made from washable cotton or sponge that is reusable. They are mainly designed to protect against air pollution or pollen allergy but ineffective against the virus. On the other hand, the ordinary 2-ply hygiene masks are made from fabric or non-woven material which is disposable but lacks a melt-blown filter layer. Masks are not a replacement for physical distancing, hand hygiene, and other public health measures. Masks are only of benefit as part of a comprehensive approach in the fight against COVID-19. Thank you for watching and listening.